It's Miss Katie's show. It's Miss Katie's show. Sing, dance, play, come on, my friends, let's go. It's Miss Katie's show. It's Miss Katie's show. Come along with me, let's learn and grow.
Miss Katie!
Hi, my friends. Today we are going to learn all about hygiene. It's very important for us to have good hygiene because that helps us stay healthy and clean. We are going to start off by washing our hands, brushing our teeth, and washing our hair and our body in the bubble bath. Are you ready? Let's go! It's very important for us to wash our hands, my friends, because even though we may not be able to see that there are germs there, there are. We have to wash our hands before we eat, after we go to the bathroom, and even when we're playing outside where there's lots of dirt, or even arts and craft like Play-Doh or paint. And we always have to wash our hands so we do not get sick. So let's wash them. Let's get the soap. Turn on the tap. We're going to rub and in between your fingers like this. And we're going to go on your wrist. And don't forget your thumbs. And round and on the back of your hand. And perfect. They are all clean. Come on, my friends, let's wash our hands, nice and clean. Soap and water, it's a washing routine. First, let's get the soap, soft and sweet. Rub-a-dub-dub, make our hands all neat. Scrub-a-dub-dub, with bubbles so fine. On our fingers and our palms, it's so divine. Twist them and turn them, make sure they're all clean. From your thumbs to your pinkies like a washing machine. Come on, my friends, let's wash our hands, nice and clean. Soap and water, it's a washing routine. Come on, my friends, let's wash our hands, nice and clean. Soap and water, it's a washing routine. So we scrub and we rinse, let's make hygiene our thing. Let's do it together every day, keep the germs away. Hi, my friends, let's count the bars of soap. 1, 2, 3. 3 soap, great. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's not soap. That's a dog. So 4 bars of soap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great. 5 bars of soap. Great job, my friends. Bubble bath, so much fun. Splish, splash, with bubbles we run. Rubber ducky, floating by. In our tub where we scrub. Bubble bath, so much fun. Splish, splash, with bubbles we run. Rubber ducky, floating by. In our tub where we scrub. Wash our hair and wash our face. Bubbles make it a happy place. Rubber ducky, splash and play. In our tub where we're clean, oh yay! Wash, fresh and so clean. In the bubbly tub, a joyful scene. Rabbit ducky, rubber ducky, splash and play in our tub where we love to stay. Now our hair's all clean and so bright in our tub where we laugh and play. Rubber ducky, splish and splash. Now we're all ready for bed.
Miss Katie!
Hi, my friends. This is Buddy. Can everyone say, hi, Buddy?
Hi, friends. Hi, Miss Katie.
Buddy is going to help us brush Crocky's teeth today.
I am here to help.
Are you ready?
Ready.
Cool. Okay, so we are going to brush Crocky's teeth with this one.
No, we can't use that one, Miss Katie.
Why? It looks like it would work perfectly fine. See?
No, it's for the bath.
No. Oh, it's for the bath?
Yes.
To scrub yourself like this? Oh. Okay, so that's not a toothbrush? Oh, okay. So not that one. Oh, I know. It is this one. Like this, right, buddy?
No.
But are you sure, buddy? 'Cause look. Looks fine to me.
You use it to paint the walls.
To paint the walls.
Yeah, that's right.
A paintbrush.
Yeah, a paintbrush.
Oh, so this is not a toothbrush. Right. Okay. I know. It's this one. Like this.
No.
No.
No, Miss Katie, you use that to brush your hair.
It's a hairbrush. Oh, so like this.
Yes.
Right. Oh, yeah, you're right, buddy. That would hurt to brush our teeth with this one. Okay, so it's not this one. I know. It's this one. Right? It's this one. Yes? See, look. It works great.
No, that's used on the floor.
The what?
The floor.
The floor?
Yes, to clean up the dirt.
To clean up the dirt from the floor?
Yes, Miss Katie.
Ugh. So it's not this one. Okay, we don't. Ooh. It's not that one. I know. This one. Like this.
Ew, no, that's for the toilet.
The toilet? Really?
Yes.
Ew. We can't. I don't want to brush my teeth with that one. That's for the toilet. Ew. Okay, not that one. I know. This one. It's quite small, so I think it could be this one, right? See?
No, that's to clean the dishes.
For the dishes? Oh. So it's not a toothbrush either?
No.
Okay. Not that one. What about this one? It's this one, right?
No, it's not that one.
This one?
That's to clean the bathroom and the floors in the shower.
Not this one either. is for the bathroom and scrubbing the floors? Right. So not that one. Well, it can't be this one, because this one looks a little bit too small. Is it this one, my friends?
It's that one!
Oh, it is. So this is a toothbrush.
That's right.
Right, great. Oh, and look, it comes with a special timer, so we know how long we have to brush our teeth for. Should we put it on? Great. All right, don't forget to put your toothpaste on. All right, we're going to go round and round in circles like this. And then we're going to go down the bottom like this. And up the top. And down the bottom on the other side. And up the top again. And up and down. And don't forget his tongue. And don't forget your tongue at home. Beautiful. Can you show me your pearly whites at home and say, cheese? Beautiful. You all have such beautiful teeth. Thanks, buddy. Thank you for helping us brush Crocky's teeth today. And now you all know how to brush your teeth at home. Brush, brush, brush our teeth every morning and every night. Brushing up and down, brushing side to side keeps our teeth so healthy and bright. Brushing, brushing every day keeps the cavities away, hooray! Brushing, brushing every day helps decays to stay away. Brush, brush, brush our teeth every morning and every night. Brushing up and down, brushing side to side keeps our teeth so healthy and bright. Brushing, brushing every day keeps the cavities away, hooray! Brushing, brushing every day helps decays to stay away. Rinse with water, swish and spit, keeping our mouths fresh every day. Rinse with water, swish and spit, keeping our mouths fresh every day.